Hey everyone! If you're new to the vegetarian lifestyle and looking for some easy meal prep ideas, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through a few simple, healthy, and delicious recipes that are perfect for beginners. Let's jump right in. Alright, first up we have a veggie stir-fry. This dish is super versatile and you can pretty much throw in any veggies you have on hand. Here's what you'll need. Bell peppers, broccoli, snap peas, carrots, and tofu. Start by chopping your veggies into bite-sized pieces. Heat some olive oil in a pan, toss in your tofu, and cook until it's golden brown. Then add your veggies and stir-fry for about 5-7 minutes. For the sauce, mix soy sauce, garlic, and a little bit of honey. Pour it over the veggies and tofu, and cook for another 2 minutes. Serve it over brown rice or quinoa and you're good to go. Next, let's make a chickpea salad. This one's great for lunches and can be made in advance. You'll need a can of chickpeas, some cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, and a handful of fresh parsley. Rinse and drain the chickpeas, then chop your veggies. Mix everything in a large bowl. For the dressing, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Drizzle it over the salad, give it a good toss, and you've got yourself a refreshing, protein-packed meal. Now onto something a bit more hearty, a black bean and sweet potato burrito. Start by peeling and dicing a couple of sweet potatoes. Roast them in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. While that's cooking, heat up some black beans in a pan with a bit of cumin and chili powder. Once the sweet potatoes are done, warm up some tortillas. Fill them with sweet potatoes, black beans, some avocado slices, and a sprinkle of cheese if you like. Roll them up, and you have a delicious, satisfying burrito. Lastly, let's not forget about snacks. One of my favorites is homemade hummus with veggie sticks. All you need is a can of chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and olive oil. Blend it all together until smooth. Serve with carrots, celery, and bell pepper sticks for a quick, healthy snack. And there you have it. 4 easy vegetarian meal prep ideas that are perfect for beginners. These recipes are not only healthy but also super tasty and quick to make. Give them a try and let me know how you like them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipe ideas. See you next time!